Good morning, traders. I'm here to do a little trading. I've been taking a look at the code and ready to take some entries. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to come right back. Okay, I've just taken a long position here. Code is saying go long. Looking to get a break-even stop on it. Putting a break-even stop, 49.03. Stop, 49.03. Break-even stop in place. If it keeps on going, then I got it. Went to 21, my exit's at 22. Funny. Come on. Let me go take a look at the 10-minute chart here. It's moving straight up. Come on. Go reach the exit. Where's the code? Man, the last few days, it's just been like coming right smack next to my exit and then doesn't hit it. It's really weird. It really is. Wow, would you look at that? Wow. Right smack next to my exit and then comes back and hits the break-even stop. What's weird about it, though, is that it's been doing that the last few days to me. Over and over again. It's weird. Anyway, what can you do? It's getting radical here. It's getting radical. Okay, I'm going to come back. I'm just going to go ahead and take the one trade per day strategy. Yep. Because I don't have time. I gotta go do a bunch of things. I never have time anymore for anything. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I've just taken another short entry here. Using the code, and should go down. Just looking for 20 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to put a break-even stop, 49.07 on stop. 49.07. Why is this thing popping back up already? There we go. Come on. Go hit. Went all the way down to 90. Didn't get me out. That's funny. Funny. And the other one missed me by just a couple ticks. This one missed me down to the tick. Come on, go hit. What do I gotta do to make my exits start pulling teeth? I mean, seriously, this is getting to be a little. Come on, it's just 20 ticks. Thank you, man. Act like that's such a big deal to make 20 ticks. Okay, I'm gonna take the one trade per day trade today. The code 2. I'll be back. It's setting up here to go long. That's what I think it's going to do. It's going to make a break and go higher here. I'm going to take an entry and I'll come back. Okay, I wasn't expecting this, but it's giving a code 1 short entry. I was expecting it to go and break higher. So I'm using a specific mathematical strategy called the one trade per day, code 2 trade. I do not yet have a signal on that trade. So can't take an entry yet. I do have a code 1 short entry signal I could take that if I wanted to, but if I'm right, it'll only come down a little bit and then it'll go higher. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm concentrating on the one trade per day. So hasn't given me a signal yet. I'll come back. I think it will though. So I'll come back. I'm going to try to take this trade today. Okay, I'm in the trade long. I'm hot. In the trade long hot, I was right about what I had said, that it would only come down a little tiny bit and then it would go break higher. It just did that. Just caught me up there at the top. All I gotta do is get my stop to hold 20 ticks and I'm good to go. This is a code 2 trade. Generally speaking, I've been doing just 20 ticks on this particular one, but today it's a possibility that I might be able to do more than that. It's been running pretty high lately. I think yesterday it ran 100 ticks. So it's been running high on the upside. When it goes long, it runs high. It wants to go up quite a bit. So it may do the same thing here. And instead of going for 20, I could push 30, possibly 40 off of this. What I'd like to do is see how it acts. See how bullish it acts. See how much it wants to go up. See if the code gives long entries, or code 1 gives long entries, or whatever. Too many short entries, or just how bullish it acts. So I will come back and I will show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. I may increase it to 30, possibly 40 ticks on the exit instead of only 20. I'll be back. Check this out though. The code just gave us a long entry when the daily chart looks like that. Look at that. I mean, that's a pretty scary place to take a long entry, wouldn't you say? We're going down on the daily, right? Red bar straight down. And the code comes in and says, go long. Looking at it like this, the big move was here coming up. So it's probably not going to do a big move like that. I'm just going to go for just the 20. Just the 20, because we are going against the daily. And you never want to do that in general, just as a general rule. And if you are, back off on your exit. This isn't a time to push it. Now, if we were in the green right here, it'd be different. But we're in a red bar going down, so 20 ticks today. That's all I'm going to push it for. Should be able to get it. Okay, I'll come back. Just in contrast, though, you saw what the daily looked like, right? Let's go take a look at the 10-minute. It looks totally different on the 10-minute. Here we are in the 10-minute. We've come off, and we're coming off 2 green bars going up here. And basically, I just took it at the top of that second green bar because code signaled go long. So, but as you can see, it looks different from the daily. We're at the beginning of a small little bullish run. It may run up to here, may run up higher, may run up to here. I'm just going to try to take just 20 ticks off it, which is like what, right here. That's it. Okay, I'll be back. It's going a little slow. Okay, the trade has shot up here to 33, and I'm at 35, so it came really, really close. I'm trying to see what I should do. If I should play a break-even trade here, or just let it go for now. I'm going to calculate something. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to throw a break-even stop on it. If it breaks me even, it breaks me even. Stop. 49.16. $49.16 break-even stop. If it breaks me even, it breaks me even. I'm just going to have to settle for that today. Because it's a little risky. For you code traders out there that know the code, what it is it's already gone a fair distance. And so that could be all there is. There might not be any more today. So it could be going back the other way. I don't want to ride it going back the other way now, past my entry, all the way back down for a 20-tick loss. So there's also a mathematical possibility that it will go high, it will go more for higher. So in that case, we're giving it a chance to do so. It only needs to go just a little bit higher than the previous high to make the exit. So it very possibly could do that. Or it may come down and hit the stop and then go back up and break. That's also a possibility. But if that be the case, I'm not going to care or worry about it. I'm not going to plan for that trade. The trade I'm planning for is it's going to come all the way back down. I'll break even. No harm done. If it does come back down, then I missed my exit by 2 ticks, which I keep doing today. You know, it just doesn't want to hit my exits. For the first trade I took, it didn't hit. Second trade finally did. And then this one just missed it by the smallest little amount. But that's trading. It's not always going to work out the way you want it to. You know? The best thing to do is not to say, oh, well, I should have just got out. No. You just keep playing it that way. Because as the market opens up and starts to act normal, it'll hit those exits. Now, if it were to keep doing that over and over and over and over and over again, well, then I would adjust my exits, obviously. Okay, break-even stop in place, hasn't gotten hit, starting to move back up. This trade still could be successful very easily. I'll come back. It's going down on me. Oil just doesn't like me today. So that was it. That was the top up there. It missed me by 2 ticks. It's kind of funny though, if you think about it. You know, that'll probably stop me out right there, right? And then go all the way back up and hit the original exit. What can you do, you know? What's funny though is the thing is that you gotta do is not let that stuff get to you, because it will happen over and over and over again. All that matters is that you're using a system that you can come out ahead. And some days everything will just click and it'll just work, and some days it'll be like, you know, a big struggle, and some days it'll be like a big tease. Like today, you know, I almost hit my first exit, no dice, break even. Second exit, okay, I hit that one. Third exit, 2 ticks away from hitting it. Instead, I break even. It's like a big tease. Like I said, it'll probably come down there and then go back up. It's not a perfect thing, you know, but it's a way to harness it and control it to a certain extent that you can make good money from it on a consistent basis. That's what it's all about. See? Came down right there and hit me. And now, watch, it's gonna go back up again. And you know something though? Like I said, just don't let it get to you. Because this could easily be the top right here. I just missed it by 2 ticks. So the math on it right now is not very good either way. The only thing you can do now is use the code on it, which I don't have a code entry at the moment. Anyway, it's late. I'm going to call it a day. I wasn't able to do much, but here, look at the chart. You see where I'm at right there? Now let me show you why I'm right there. Okay, it's just the chart says it all. I didn't start trading until like 10:30. That's like right here or so. So since I started trading, this thing's been, going sideways in this range. And so it hasn't really done much. And lately, just right here, it's really been going in this little range. Just missed my exit right there. So it's just the way it's worked out, It's the chart. It's just missing my exits. I wasn't able to do anything, even though I know the code. Funny, huh? But that's just the way it is. That's the way trading is. Like I said many times before, every day is a different day. Every single day is a different day. And you got to be able to roll with it. Takes practice. Okay, I'm going to go. I'll be back tomorrow. Got to do the charting service here in just a little bit. And I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. And back for the charting. The charting service is going great. So, for those of you interested in that, take advantage of it. You definitely make money with that by knowing what the code 2 is going to be before it comes. Anyway, by tracking it every day. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading, traders.